Caribbean Championships 2008.
Welcome back to the Digicel Caribbean Championships. Once again, the best teams in the region will go toe-to-toe for the chance to get their hands on the trophy and pick up a check for $120,000 US.
What a good finish! Oh, that was a punisher!
And we'll be there for every stunning shot, every glorious goal, and every sensational celebration. Over the next 12 shows, we'll bring you all the action, news and interviews from this year's tournament. But first, we're going to take a look back at the exciting climax to last year's competition. Port of Spain in Trinidad was the venue for the 2007 final, and the fans had flocked in their thousands to see the hometown heroes and 8 times winners, the Soca Warriors, take on tournament outsiders Haiti. It was to prove a memorable match.
Cade. Oh, look at his power here. Can he pick out a white shirt? It's Brunel. Goalkeeper spilled it. Busico! 1-0 to Haiti. And you can hear a pin drop in the stadium. Williams just parried the shot from Brunel. And it proved so costly as Busico pounced after 22 minutes of the final. As Baptiste prepares to take the free kick. Power. Oh, he's turned that in with his hand, surely. It's not going to count because almost basketball style, he turned the ball over the line. Cade trying to lose his marker. Oh, an interception here for Kerry Baptiste. Great chance for Trinidad and Tobago. Easily their best opportunity of the first half. 18,000 here in the Hazley Crawford Stadium. Gilles. Busico with a step over. Cherie, and this is Gilles, who's free now for Haiti. Williams has spilled it. Brunel, 2-0. 51 minutes gone, and Haiti race into a 2-goal lead. And once again, the goalkeeper spilled a shot, which resulted in a goal. Busico hit it hard and low. Williams couldn't hang on to it. Cade might have been offside, and Brunel pounced. Haiti 2, Trinidad and Tobago 0. This is Roberts. Roberts. Well, that's handball, surely. And the referee was literally a couple of yards away from that incident. Penland's the goalkeeper. This is Daniel, it's there! Trinidad and Tobago are still in the final. Daniel's free kick brings delight to the terracing. 65 minutes in, and just a goal separating the two teams now. A stunning free kick. And the goalkeeper beaten comprehensively on the near post. And this is Baptiste, 3 minutes to go. Trinidad and Tobago need a goal now. It's Baptiste! Well saved by the goalkeeper. Is that the last chance for the home side to take this one into extra time? Corner to Trinidad and Tobago, who must score now. It's a poor corner. It's all over. Haiti have won the Digicel Caribbean Cup, and they've done it for the first time in their history.